Check. Okay. So this is just a clear, easy way for you to start recording. So before you start recording anything, just make sure you go to either general, make sure your settings are fine for your notifications and stuff, and then just go to video, set your resolutions, common FPS value. You can set it to anything 160, 180, 180, whatever. And then your hotkeys over here and all that, and over here this is where you set your recording names and stuff. You can just leave it as it is. It doesn't matter much. Just go to output over here and you should see the recording tab. Under that, this is where your recording videos will be saved. Just click on browse and you can set where you want your recording to be saved. So once you do that, you can just if you want to stream as well, you can set up your stream settings in this way. So once you've done that, you have your stream tab under which you put down your stream key and stuff. And if you want to do multi-stream, you can actually stream to URL. So just go to stream and under where's that thing, recording over here. Stream. I can't find it. Custom recording. Over here. You can set whatever file format you want. FLV, MP4, MKV. Normally, if you want to upload to YouTube, MP4 is best. But it's MP4 is gonna have a bigger file size, and MKV will have a smaller file size, but it won't be directly uploaded to YouTube. And then there is, where is that other thing? I can't find it. Shit. The other thing is when you wanna do multi-streams. Can't find it right now. Can use restream if you want to multi-stream, but there is also another way where you can just post your server keys. It's over here. Yeah, you can do this also. Like if you want to use it in simple mode, it's just easier for you. But I prefer the advanced mode because I can set all the bit rates and stuff for the tracks. And that's the setting stuff. So before you start recording, this is going to be all blank. You can set up different screens you want. Like for me, this is my starting screen, this is my stand-up screen, and this is like end game or interview stuff. So you just click on plus, you click on OK. It's going to make a new scene, and under that new scene you add your sources, be it images, videos, GIFs, slideshows, whatever you want. You can usually just go and give an image if you want to set it as something you want to showcase or something, like which you want to be displayed on the side like this, or if you want it to be like your standby screen or stuff. I can just set it like that and then push this down and then scale this up and then just adjust this thing. You can just scale it like directly. There's not much complications in scaling it. And in case you want to change this resolution gate, just go to settings, and under video output you have this resolution settings over here. You just change it over here and it will directly affect this one. And then this is for the studio one. If you get the normal one, you will not have this option, but if you get the OBS studio, you will have the option of transitioning. vMix also has this. You just do that and it transitions, or you can just click transition. For it to transition, you can select your transitions and what type of transition you want. end your transition speed too. You can do all that, or you can just do multi-transition over here. Where did I go? Oh, there it is. Oh shit, no, not that. So that is like the transition between scenes over here, like that. So if I change this to swipe, and I change my scene to something else, it's gonna swipe like that. And yeah, like I'll just go back to this and show you. So now I showed you how to place the images. Let me show you how to add a game source. So there's like multiple ways in which you can add a game source. First is game capture. Game capture automatically detects your game. I don't have a game running right now. Let me just start one. Okay, CSGO's open. So there's two ways to do this. Actually, there's more than 2 ways to do this. Let me just okay. So now there's more than one way to do this. First is your game capture way, where it automatically detects any full screen application. So it won't detect when you're alt tabbed out, but when you alt tab back into the game, it will start detecting it. But since I'm using full screen windowed mode, it will not detect over here. So what I do is, if you're using any exclusive full screen window, you can use game capture. But if you're going for a full screen window, then use window capture and it will automatically detect the window, or you can just select it from the drop down menu. Or you can just go ahead and give display capture, whereas for display capture it captures everything over here and not just a specific window. So usually your best option is window capture, because it's the safer one, and whatever you do outside the window will not be shown on screen. And as for audio, there's usually no issues with the audio. You can just set up your desktop audio as it is. You can just select its sources directly. This is your desktop audio, this is your mic audio. You just adjust its levels based on how much you need them. During the stream you will see the sensitivity of the audios. You can select your mic. One second. You can select your output and input for mics over here. Your desktop audio will be your default. Your second mic will be the snowball for me. And in case you wanna crop something, you can just go to right click and click on filters, add, and you can crop. You can do color keying in case you want to remove green screen and stuff. You can use you can use color chroma, color key, luma key, all that stuff. And if you want to do some adjustments to color and stuff, you can do it over here. You can apply a lookup table too. And if you want to add text, you have your text over here. You just add the text and be like easy. You can select your font which you want. I'm just gonna do that, give that, and then just put that over there. And then you can even change its color over here. Just select color and do that. I'm just doing this for sample. And if you feel like the box is not covering it completely, you can do that. I feel like it's cropped. the box is better now. It's more centered. And that's your text, and that's pretty much it. Your audio device, there won't be any errors with the audio. I don't think you should be getting any static noise from based on what I've been using. I mean, I can use my in-game volume. And stuff like that. That's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions for this thing.